What's up, guys, and welcome back to our channel. And today we're having baked chicken, papaya salad, and sticky rice. Alright, so we have our baked chicken, we have our papaya salad here, and this is the seasoning we use for our chicken. First time trying it out, so we'll see how it tastes. And then also, in this basket here, we have sticky rice. So eating sticky rice is traditionally eaten with your hands. We've seen other people eat it with forks and spoons.
I mean, you can.
You can if you don't want to get your hands dirty, but it's called sticky rice for a reason, right? So you can ball it up when you grab it and eat it. It's different from steamed rice. Steamed rice is not sticky. That's the one you use. That's the one you eat with spoons, right? But you still eat with your hands. Yeah, but yeah. So what you do is just grab some. You just roll make it into like a perfect size for you to eat with. So what you do is basically just pick whatever you have with you, and then just take a bite of the rice with the chicken and the pie salad.
This is like the best combination here.
Yes. So papaya salad is it's green papaya, right? So what you do is you'll shred the papaya into like these thin slices right here, just like that. Then after that, you have your ingredients that goes into there, right? You have your like fermented fish sauce. You have your regular fish sauce. You have lime, chilies, tomatoes, sugar, and so what you do is
there's a lot of different ways to make
it.
Some people put garlic, and then some people just use like fish sauce and shrimp paste.
So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, so what she did was she put all the ingredients into a mortar, and she basically smashed everything together. There's like she said, there's so many ways of papaya salad. Everyone has their own way.
The seasoning is okay.
Yeah.
I could use a little more.
You should put a lot in there next time. So she doesn't like the wingtip. She gives them to me. I love the wingtip. I mean, it's like good meat in there. Who else eats wingtips besides me?
It's a perfect spice, huh?
So this is the Lao way, right? Papaya salad, or it doesn't matter.
I guess you could call it the Lao way.
Yeah. Can you tell the difference between Lao papaya salad and like Thai? Like, what's the difference?
I don't know. I think theirs has like a little more sweetness to it or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's something about it that you can just tell the difference.
Me remember eating Thai papaya salad. I think it's more like sweet, like you said.
How's Cambodian papaya salad?
Cambodian papaya salad? It's like the same way as Lao.
But not as good.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So we baked the chicken instead of frying it. I think the seasoning is good. Just, I think we just need to add more of it.
To me, when I tasted the seasoning, so I wanted to see what it tastes like.
Mm-hmm.
All I taste was like a little sugar and like that's it. It kind of tasted like the light version of the barbecue pork seasoning. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. It kind of like tasted like a light flavor like that, but with like a tiny bit of like spice.
Mm. So I remember, like, for like New Year's, Cambodian New Year, with the stands that sell like papaya salad and meat on a stick and stuff. And then once you order papaya salad over there, they ask you like how spicy you want it. I remember one time I said really spicy. That was a bad idea. But it gets really spicy though.
It depends who makes it.
Yeah.
And also it does depend on like the peppers.
Mm-hmm.
Because sometimes it's spicy. And then sometimes it's not.
My cousin, she makes some spicy ass papaya salad. Like ass on fire. We're having like a barbecue in the house, and then she made the noodle version, right? And then she put, I don't know how much pepper she put. She put like 30, I think. She put like 30 peppers. Oh my god, that thing was spicy, but it was addicting because the flavor was like there too.
Mm-hmm.
So like, we just took turns like taking bites and bites. And that was not cool. So this is like traditional Lao Thai food, right? Yeah. So this is made for parties too, right? I see a lot in parties. Like they have to have papaya salad and like something grilled, right?
Fried.
Fried or grilled, and then with sticky rice.
So good.
But how do you guys eat your chicken? Like, so you eat it like clean bone, like how I do? There's nothing left. If you won't eat the bone, you can. I shouldn't suggest you eat the bone, but or you're the one that takes like
I don't have an example for you.
yeah, or you just eat like the middle part of the chicken and keep like the ends on. I don't know. To me, I think it's just wasting chicken. So you like spicy food? Yeah, like really spicy food.
Like perfect spice.
Like I like spicy food, like hella spicy. Like before. Now if I eat spicy, no, I still eat spicy stuff, but it's just gonna be painful for me. The only bad thing about baking chicken is you don't have that crispiness. There's a crispy skin, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Like when you fry it. But you're not eating like oil when you bake it.
It's so good.
Yeah, the meat's more tender too when you bake it. I feel healthier already.
Huh?
I feel healthier already. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this meal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell. It's right here. But really it's down here. Click on the bell down here. But we want our bell here. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace.